Yo, what's up everyone? So someone asked me about doing the figure 8 with the steel mace and how it's done. So what this figure 8 is, if you don't already know what it is, we're going from our 360 directly into a bottom pendulum. Okay? So there's a few prerequisites we'll need before we get started with that. One of them is the bottom pendulum, right? Because we need to be able to pendulum at the very bottom of the movement. We also need our wrists to be able to withstand. So we'll do a single arm bottom pendulum. So we'll get our wrists and our forearms prepared for that. Strengthen it. Help the wrist understand what it needs to be able to do this movement on both sides. Okay, so you practice that first as a prerequisite. So what we'll do is we'll start here vertically as if we had just finished our 360, and then we'll take the hands and we'll begin the transition. So from here, what's happening is we'll need to take the top hand and turn over, and then go into our bottom pendulum, turning over this hand to catch. Okay, once again, show you that. From here, we'll take this hand over, we'll allow the pendulum to start, and we'll catch with this hand. Okay, so bring this hand under, flip over, and continue. Okay, so once again, let me show you that again. So we're going over, switch, flip, and over. Okay, then you can go back the other direction, flip, catch, flip, over. We'll do that in slow motion. Okay, flip, catch, flip, swing. Okay, now there's two directions you can move the figure 8 movement. Okay, you can do in a continuous figure 8. So we'll go continuous figure 8. Or you can reverse that figure 8. So figure 8 here, back the other way. So that'd be more of your 10 to 2 figure 8. 10 to 2, figure 8. 10 to 2, figure 8. All right, so there's two directions you can move that figure 8. Let's go in close here so you can see the hands at work. So in the continuous figure 8, what you're going to see is this. Continuous, the same direction. So we'll turn over, catch, same direction. Turn over, catch, same direction. Turn over, catch, same direction. If we want to switch to the reversing figure 8, we'll go over, catch, flip. Over, catch, back the other way. Catch, back the other way. Catch, back the other way. So that's our 10 to 2 figure 8. All right? So practice those. Practice the basics. Remember, start step by step and work your way up. If you don't already know how to do a 360 or 10 to 2 effectively, I suggest working really hard to perfect and make those good. And then add in the fun stuff and the extra additional hand transitions and all that stuff. Right? It's very important that we understand the fundamentals and the basics before we start exploring and doing all types of other stuff. This is all fun stuff, and if you're interested in Steel Mace workshops, be sure to check out steelmaceworkshops.com. I don't teach movements like this. I approach it from a strength and conditioning perspective, so you'll get applications to strength and conditioning and coaching for performance and training. Thanks for watching.